In this video, I'm going to show you how you can dodge all 3 rows of coins here in Subway Surfers. Say you're trying to do the no coin challenge, this is going to be perfect for you. But keep in mind, this is one of the hardest moves in Subway Surfers, and it's going to take some real practice to get right, but once you master it, it is an absolute game changer for this no coin challenge. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now I recommend practicing this a lot because it really is difficult, but I'll break down the steps real quick. Firstly, you do need to jump right before hitting the coins as you approach the triple row of coins, and then while you're in the air, swipe to the right and then quickly swipe to the left. This is essentially a zigzag air movement, and it's going to help you dodge all 3 rows without picking up a single coin, as you can see on the gameplay on screen right now. It's super tricky and the timing does have to be perfect, so make sure you're practicing this combo repeatedly, but once you do get the hang of it, you'll be able to survive the toughest coin traps in the game. If this video did help you out, make sure to drop a like and of course leave a comment if you did pull this off, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Subway Surfers tutorials and pro tips. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.